In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms to schedule appointments effectively. So, whether you're managing a business or organizing a club meeting, this straightforward process will make scheduling seamless and straightforward. We'll start by opening the Google Forms website. You can easily do this by searching for Google Forms in your favorite browser. Once you're on the Google Forms homepage, you'll notice a variety of templates to choose from. For scheduling purposes, you'll need to create a new form. Begin with a blank form template so that you can customize it to fit your specific needs. As you create your form, you'll first want to input a title that reflects the appointments you'll be scheduling. This could be something as simple as client meetings or weekly check-ins. Next, it's helpful to add a description that outlines what the form is for and any important instructions for those who will be filling it out. Now, it's time to start adding questions. Start with basic details such as the name and email address of the person scheduling the appointment. This information is crucial for keeping track of who will be attending the sessions. Follow up with additional fields like the preferred date and time of the appointment. For this, using the date and time question type within the form is ideal, as it provides a drop-down calendar and time selector for ease of use. To ensure everyone is informed, you can add a question for additional notes or specific requirements they might have. This can be a simple paragraph text box where respondents can type freely. At this point, it's also useful to think about including multiple choice questions for other options like choosing among different services, if applicable to your situation. By now, you should have a basic form set up. Before we proceed, it's a good practice to preview your form using the eye icon at the top right of the screen. This allows you to view the form from a respondent's perspective and ensure everything appears professional and accessible. Once your form looks good, it's time to share it. Google Forms allows multiple options here. You can share the form link directly via email, or generate a shortened URL for easy sharing across social media or text messages. If you use Google Workspace, you can even integrate this form with Google Calendar to further streamline the appointment process. Lastly, remember to adjust your form settings. Ensure that responses are saved and notifications are set to alert you whenever someone fills out the form. This way, you won't miss any scheduled appointments. And that's it. You've now successfully set up a Google form to schedule appointments. In just a few simple steps, you've got an efficient system up and running to handle your scheduling needs with ease.